What's the meaning of beefburger? Beefburger. Beefburger.
Beefburger. Beefburger. A beefburger, also known as a hamburger, is a type of sandwich made with a cooked patty of ground beef, placed between two slices of bread or a bun. The patty is typically seasoned with salt and pepper, and may also include other seasonings or ingredients such as onions, garlic, or herbs. Beefburgers are commonly topped with condiments such as ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, or pickles, and can be served with a variety of sides such as French fries or coleslaw. They are a popular and widely recognized fast food item in many countries around the world, often served at restaurants, cafes, and food trucks.